Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix pen drive not working in your laptop, or you can see USB device not recognized. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your pen drive is not working in your laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here power plan, or you can type edit power plan. You can see here edit power plan, just click on that. Click on change advanced power setting. You can see here USB setting, double click on that. Click on USB selective suspended setting, double click. If it is selected as enable, just click on disable. To select both as disable, just click on apply and click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix pen drive not working or USB device not recognized in your laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.